Hi, welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure meeting you once again. This is Honestypays, and I am going to teach you how to resize a very large video so that you can share it on any of the social media handles. I mean any of the social media handles, whether on Facebook, YouTube, whether to share it on WhatsApp, email, or whatsoever. Okay, so follow me step by step. I will show you how to do that. So the first thing you are going to do is to go to Play Store, and then you download this app. Okay, you download this app that I've showed you. So you type the name of the app here. Okay, good, and you download it. This is the app, right? You download it. So after downloading and then installing it, now you go to the app, and then let me show you some of the features here. The first one is the original. This one talks about all the videos you're having on your phone. Okay, all the videos you're having on your phone in their original format. The album tells you how those videos has been categorized. Are they from the ones that you took with camera? Are they from your WhatsApp business? Are they from your WhatsApp? Are they from your downloads? Are they from your screen recorders? They are from where they have been categorized. Okay, that is where the album says. And then the compressed talks about those videos that you have compressed, those videos that you have resized from the original size to the smallest size. Okay, so now let's learn how to use this app to change the size of the larger video size, from the larger video size to the smallest one. So you click on original, or you go to the album, and then you select the particular video that you want. Okay, the particular video that you want. So let's take it as I want to take the video from, let me go to my original videos and select the one having the biggest, or one of the biggest videos. Okay, I'm having this one having 218 megabytes. You know, you can't send a video having 218 megabytes via WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to make it small, you have to resize it. So this is what you are going to do. Let me click that one. This is having 218 megabytes. I've clicked that one. So after clicking it, then you click on next. Okay, good. Now this is the next page that will be opened. You see set size there. Now these are the options for you. You can make it very small, okay, so that it can easily be shared, or you can make it a medium file, but the medium file will be having a very better quality. Okay, that one is there. Or if you just want it to be a large file but you just compress it, you want it to, that one too is there. Or if you want it to fit to Facebook Messenger, you can also select this one. If it is for email, you select it. If you want to customize it yourself, if you want to give it the resolution and the quality, you can also do it using this feature. And then if you want to customize only the resolution, you can do it. If you want the size to be 240 by 136, 360 by 202, whatever size that you want, you select, okay, and then do it. So me, I don't want to use any of these. I want to use the medium file but better quality. Okay, now let's look at the video size. It is 218 megabytes. Okay, and then I'm going to change it to a medium file but still having a better quality using my phone. So I select the medium file with better quality, and then you click on compress. Here is it. So you see that the app is having ads, okay, and you have to allow the ads to finish reading. Usually it is being counted. You see, like this one, the 5, it is reading. Okay, so when it is done reading, then you click on the close button here, this one. Okay, so the ads will go. Now you see that the reading will be indicating here, telling you that the app is now compressing your video. Okay, it is now squeezing your video file to a very smaller one. Okay, so let's wait and see. Good. So it's now 100%, meaning it has already finished resizing your video. Now let's see the next thing that will be displayed. Good. So now let's look at the video size. You see that initially it was 218 megabytes. That is the original size, okay? But now it is what? 11 megabytes. Have you seen it? Good. So instead of the size being 1920 by 1080, it is now 960 by 540, still having the initial quality, which is the better quality. Okay, so 200 megabytes has been saved. So what you're going to do is either you want to share it. If you want to share it directly, you click on share, and then you choose the handle that you want to share it to. Are you going to share it via WhatsApp Business, WPS, YouTube, Drive, email, or Facebook, or whatever tool that you want to share the video right away via it? Then you share it. These are ads. Okay, you will see the ads because it is a free thing that you're doing. So when the ad stops, click on the close, go back. Now if you don't want to share it right away but you want to save it, you click on save. If you don't want the size, you want to go back, you click on this one, back. And then if you want to replace it, if you want to replace this video with a different video, you click on replace. Okay, so now the video has finished, it has been resized, and I want to save it. Okay, so you click on save. Okay, then it will tell you that the compressed videos will be saved to storage emulated 0 movies video panda. So it is telling you the location, the route to the file, okay, on your phone, the location of the file on your phone. If you want to change the folder, you change the folder. If you don't want to change the folder and want it to be named as video panda, you leave it like that. You click on OK. Right, it will be saved. So now I am in my videos, and you see that I'm having camera, I'm having vidmate, I'm having download, I'm having screen recorder, WhatsApp video, WhatsApp business videos, WhatsApp docs, and then I'm having video panda. Okay, so this is where the video having the size 11 is located. So now you click it, and then you can share it via any handle that you want to share. Good. So you can have a very large size video, but you can resize it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, and then leave your comment there. Whatever you want me to make videos on, leave it in the comment box.